Alright, well today we're taking a look at our 1932 Plymouth Roadster. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. It's gone through an entire nut and bolt restoration to Concourse standards. Grand National Senior winner. Just a beautiful, beautiful classic. So let's do a slow walk around to see the condition of the vehicle, and then we'll listen to the engine run. You see up front the chrome is immaculate. Absolutely beautiful. The black and orange paint, I believe, are Princeton University colors. It's a collegiate special. Very, very sharp paint finish. Bright work and chrome just look beautiful up front here. Beautiful shine. Got a couple of awards here. National First Prize, Grand National Winner, AACA Junior and Senior. Just a beautiful car. Painted spoke wheels with the white walls look great. We can take a look inside the fender here, and you can see every nut and bolt just looks brand new. Absolutely gorgeous car underneath as well. Beautiful paint. Running boards look great. Convertible top also looks brand new. The glass rear window. Just a gorgeous Roadster. The rear chrome is also in great condition. Beautiful reflection on the paint, just a mirror reflection. And of course the driver's side of the body is just as nice. These are steel quarters and fenders, all steel body. Let's take a peek on the interior. Upholstery looks great. I believe this is real leather. Beautiful, beautiful leather. Dash looks beautiful. Just all around a really, really sharp car. It is a 3-speed floor shifter. So let me open up the hood here and then we'll fire her up and listen to her run. It does have the floor starter here. Fires right up. Should be in neutral here. Idles very smoothly. The exhaust is blowing nice and clean, no smoke or anything like that. Just a really nice running Roadster. Beautiful, beautiful car. So let's try to get her out on the road and do a test drive. Alright, let's get her out on the road. Start back in first.
car's actually very easy to drive. It goes down the road nice and straight. Just cruising along in third gear. Really, really nice ride.